Some people go their whole lives never learning any cooking skills, so we're going to fix that right now with a simple how-to for making scrambled eggs. All right, let's get cracking. Here are the tools and ingredients you'll need to get started. And if you don't have any of the items, there are links in the description to help you out. Tools needed: a bowl, a small spatula or spoon, a whisk, a pan, a plate, eating utensils, and a knife, if you're adding ingredients to your eggs that need to be cut. Ingredients: eggs, however many you want to eat, typically 1 to 3, butter or a cooking spray for your pan, and salt and pepper to taste, along with tomatoes, spinach, a meat source, or onions if you want to add extra ingredients to your scramble. It doesn't have to be what's listed, you can add what you'd like. Once you've got your tools and ingredients, it's time to make scrambled eggs. Step 1. Crack your eggs into the bowl and whisk them together until combined. If you're adding extra ingredients that need to be cut, do that now and add those to your egg bowl. Step 2. Turn your stove on a low to low-medium heat. We don't want to burn the eggs. Step 3. While the stove is warming up, coat your pan in the butter or cooking spray to prevent the eggs from sticking to the pan. Then place on the stove eye. Step 4. Once the pan is heated, pour your egg mixture into the pan. If it sizzles a little, that's okay, but you'll need to turn the heat down a little and make sure to stir the eggs more often. Step 5. Stir your eggs semi-frequently with the small spatula or spoon while they cook. You may want to add your salt and pepper now, or you can wait until they're finished. The eggs are done once the wet glisten is gone if you want a hard scramble. If you want a runnier scrambled egg, there will still be shine along with pieces of egg, but the consistency shouldn't be gooey. Step 6. Once the cooking is finished, turn off your stove and remove the pan from the heat. Pour or scrape your scrambled eggs onto a plate and dig in. If you didn't add salt and pepper while it was cooking, you'll want to add it now. Congratulations! You now know how to make scrambled eggs. Give this video a like and save it for later. Until next time.